And so ChatGPT has a new feature called Task. And so this is how they look when they come into your email. I wanted to just illustrate what this looks like. And so I have a task set up that I'm going to show you. So if you view message, it takes you to the chat window that has all of the different updates that ChatGPT has been sending to me. So if you think about this as like an RSS feed or like a Feedly or a Google Alerts or a Google News, it's sending this to me. And so what's important here is I set this up to send me provide AI and law news. Tell me the daily summary of recent developments at the intersection of artificial intelligence and the legal profession every day, 11:30 p.m. It sends it. And so now I have an entire thread of every day just getting news within the legal field. And so if you're a lawyer or if you're working in content creation or if you're building tools for the legal field like Harvey AI, which is something I think they're worth, I don't know, I think they're raising $1 billion. I'm not sure, but Harvey AI is a really big tool. And so you can ask ChatGPT to say, hey, over the last week or so, I set this up in the 22nd of or the 25th of January. So over the last week or so, what developments are you seeing happen inside of the legal field? What trends appears to be happening over the last week that I should take note of? And so this will be the prompt that you provide ChatGPT, and then it's gonna, of course, you can interact with it like any other ChatGPT window. And so here, I think you could probably even use one of the more advanced models. Let's see what the O3 Mini thinks about this. Um, and so over the past week, I see several notable developments, AI legal challenges, generative AI and legal proceedings. Here's the Law Society put out something. Here's a growth in alternative legal service providers. And so these are just a couple things. And so then you can ask for prompts to say, hey, what could be some of the use cases if I'm developing a newsletter around legal news? Like, how do you think I can incorporate some of this information here? And so this is using the ChatGPT O3 Mini. Um, and we'll see how this advanced reasoning model responds to this. And so it's going to guide me on how I can craft up some kind of newsletter here, current event focus, technology integration spotlight, case study analysis. And so right now you can see just how this could make sense for if you're getting a stream of information based on all the updates that are happening in the legal field, and then it sends you an email here in this view message. Right? This is largely inefficient in terms of how you would have to then copy and paste the information out of this, right? But imagine if you can set up, a script that allows you to send this to a person automatically, or if you just wanted to stay up to date on all the different legal proceedings that are happening in ChatGPT. And so some of these, as you go through, I haven't gone through them, but um, there's a LinkedIn lawsuit that's happening. I think this will be interesting just to see how to comb through that, and it gives you the actual link that you can go read more about this. Microsoft owned social media site denies allegations in California class action lawsuit. And so this is really a way to just curate a repository of knowledge that becomes something that you can query when you want to stay up to date. And so there's plenty of use cases I think that you can imagine on how this could be valuable in terms of just content curation. And so I just wanted to give you a use case for what this looks like. Let me know if you guys have any questions about how you could further apply this. You can get the learning guide that goes with this video inside of my newsletter. There's also a pre-prompt library that you can use to help develop your prompts here. And so thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.